Hello students. Today we are going to discuss class 9 science chapter number 3 atoms and molecules. In the previous video I had explained to you about what is atom. After then I had explained to you about the atomicity of the molecules, atomicity of any molecule like O2, N2, O3, H2O, CO2. These all the things I had explained to you in the previous video. Today we are going to discuss a new concept called mole concept. First of all, before starting this concept, I would like to tell you that whenever we are going to start anything new, you must understand that why this topic and for what purpose we are going to use. I just want to inform you that from standard 9 to standard 12, the same topic will be very useful. Either you are going to take science in the 12th section. If you are taking a science stream, then 11th, 12th in the same chapter is there in the 11th standard. And in the 11th standard also you are going to take the same things, high concept. Means here we are going to take the basic concepts of mole concept. But if we talk about the standard 11, then in standard 11 we are going to discuss more and more high things about this all. So before starting the mole concept, I would like to ask you, what is your weight? Can you tell me what is your weight? And what is your mass? Right? The two questions I had asked you, what is your weight and what is your mass? So here you are confused that what should I say about the weight and what should I say about the mass. Your mass is fixed everywhere, but your weight can be changed on the earth, on the moon, or any other planet. If you go, then your weight will be changed. Why? Because weight is due to the gravity. If there is a gravity present on the earth, whatever the gravity value is there, gravitational force, universal gravitational force, we will study in the gravitation chapter also. So from that chapter we get the value of universal gravitational constant. So the gravitational force describes about the weight. That if I talk about that my hand is here and if suddenly it falls down, so this is because due to the gravitational force, and my weight, my body weight is because of the gravitational force. Suppose right now my weight is 60, 65 kg, whatsoever it would be. So this weight is due to gravity of the earth. If I go to moon, then my weight will be approx 6 to 7 kg. Means 10 times lower than the earth. Means their gravity is different. But if I talk about the mass, now question is what is mass? The amount of substance, the number of moles present in that body is called mass. Means what is my number of cells in my body? Neither it is going to change right now in the earth nor if I go on the moon. So that is my mole. Moles present in our moles means amount of substance will be considered as a mole. We have studied that 7 fundamental units. Have you heard? 7 fundamental units. What are the 7 fundamental units? Length, mass, time, current, luminous intensity, after them amount of substances. So you will see temperature, amount of substances, means all that 7. Means first one was length, second was mass, third was time, fourth was current, fifth was temperature, sixth was luminous intensity, and the seventh one was amount of substances. This total 7 basic fundamental units, and each and every basic fundamental units is measured in different, as length is measured in meter, the SI unit of length is m, that is meter. Similarly, time SI unit second, it is denoted by s, mass kg, temperature Kelvin K, luminous intensity candela CD, and amount of substances, it is measured in mole. Because there was one scientist, his name was Avogadro. What was his name? Avogadro. Avogadro has given one number, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. He had said about, if I talk about in my body how many number of atoms are there, so he directly told 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Means any substance has number of moles, and in one mole the total entities present in one mole is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, either entities, particles, atoms or molecules. These are the particles which are present in one mole. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, atoms or molecules. If I ask you what is the number of moles present in this much gram or this much anything, if I talk about what is the number of atoms present in this book. So first of all, you should know about the number of moles. What is number of moles? So number of moles is mass. It will be given mass. That is given mass upon molar mass. Mass of one atom is equal to molar mass upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Mass in gram is equal to mass of one mole into number of moles. And number of molecules is equal to number of moles into 6.022 into 10 to the power 20. These are the formula concept of mole concept. Now, suppose if I inform you to learn all the elements, atomic number and mass number, especially till 1 to 30, all the 9th standard students' job is that to learn especially all the elements name, atomic number and mass number till 31 to 30. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, not getting? Calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. These are all the names which I have spoken right now. These are the elements from atomic number 1 to atomic number 30. You have to write this all the elements name in your notebook, atomic number, symbol and mass. So these things is the main concept. If you don't know how to learn, then I will give one link in the descriptive video. You have to follow that link. So in that link I had explained about all the elements name, how to learn the elements name and what are the fundamental things of that elements. And after that, if I talk about the mass number, so mass number is given, but generally 1 to 20 if we talk, then all the even number is twice. All the even numbers means mass is twice, and all the odd number mass is twice plus 1. If I talk about hydrogen, atomic number 1, mass number also 1. Helium, atomic number 2, mass number 4. Lithium, atomic number 3, mass number 7. Beryllium, atomic number 4, mass number 8.9, it's approximately 9. Boron, atomic number 5, mass number 11. Carbon, atomic number 6, mass number 12. Nitrogen, atomic number 7, mass number 14. Oxygen, atomic number 8, mass number 16. Fluorine, atomic number 9, mass number 70. Neon, atomic number 10, mass number 20. So similarly till 20 at least you should learn all the elements atomic number and all that elements mass number. If you have learned this atomic number and mass number, then it's very easy to calculate number of moles. If I talk about, just suppose that I had given you the total atomic mass of sodium is 46 gram. Suppose there is one question, mass of sodium is equal to 26 gram. Calculate the number of atoms present in this sodium. You have to calculate the number of atoms. So here first of all you have to calculate the number of moles. How you will calculate number of moles? Number of moles is equal to given mass by atomic mass. Given mass by atomic mass. What is given mass? In the question it will be given as I had given you 26 gram. And what is the atomic mass of sodium? Atomic mass of sodium is 23. So 23, 26 upon 20, 23, 1 are 23, 21, 1.1 grams, something number of mole is 1.1. And if you want to calculate the number of atoms present in this 26 gram of sodium, then what you have to do? Number of atoms is equal to 1.1 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So 1 will multiply, right? So what will be the value? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 multiplied by 11 divided by 10. So here if it multiply 6022, 6022. So 66242 means 66242. 31412 6.6242 into 10 to the power 23 atoms are present in 26 grams of sodium. If any, just like this only, I will give you some of the question that how to calculate the number of moles or number of atoms present in the given mass of that element. So first of all, before starting the molecules concept or mole concept, you have to learn the elements atomic number, elements mass number. Then only you will be eligible to calculate the number of moles or number of atoms, number of molecules, number of ions. So before going towards the name and mass, you can take a screenshot of this board. I hope all of you have taken the screenshot or you have written in your notebook. All these formula must be written in your notebook. Okay. So now after getting the information about these all the things, means how to calculate the number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass. Mass of one atom, molar mass by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is known as Avogadro number. What it's known as? Avogadro number, 6.022 into 10 to the power 20. Mass of one atom, molar mass. Molar mass means 23 gram. I have told you 23 is the molar mass of sodium. So 23 upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So the here 23 divided by 6.022 into the power 10 to the power 23 will be the mass of one atom of sodium. Similarly, you can calculate mass of any element's atom. Mass in gram, that is equal to mass of one molecule into number of moles, and number of molecules is equal to number of moles into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. You must remember this number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is Avogadro number. What is this? Avogadro number. If you know this number, then you are eligible to calculate the number of moles, number of atoms. In the next video, I will explain you about the different things or numericals of this mole concept. That's all for today. Thanks for watching class 9 science chapter number 3 atoms and molecules video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, and if you are having any doubt, in the descriptive box all the doubts related query I am already giving, and if you are still having more and more doubts, please drop your doubt into the comment box section. If your friends are also having doubt, please inform them that they should specially drop their doubt into the comment box section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Share this video with your friends, and if you have any suggestions, that also you can specially write into the comment box section. You can take a screenshot.